Cecilia and this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's Lego Reviews. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review Unstoppable Bike Chase number 75549. It has 136 pieces. It's the Lego Minions series and it is 6+. So we chose this because, well, we haven't done Minions before, and who doesn't like the Minions? So this is the box, and I'm going to open it up and build it. Remember to give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch until the end to see your positives and negatives about Unstoppable Bike Chase. Opening time. So this is actually easy because it's already loose. Max, this way, this. This. And I want a clean opening. See, clean. Well, it's the cleanest we can get these days. Alright, so here we have bag 1, bag 2. We have the instructions and bag 3. Oh, and we also have some unexpected stickers.
Oh, that's the stickers.
Yes, the stickers. So let's open these bags up. Oh, I can see the Minions. This is from Rise of the Gru movie. We haven't watched that one, but we have watched the other Despicable Me's. So.
Okay, it's going here.
I'm not gonna start building it. Okay.
Oh, this is too pretty.
We've got a piece. Missing. Alright, we'll get that one later. Oh, we have a mini bag. Here. Let's open that one up. And then let's take this bag. And let's open it. Carefully. Okay, we also have another mini bag. Wait, this one got stuck here. Okay, there we go. And so let's open this mini bag. Spill it out. So now we're going to build it. So this is the finished figure. So as you can see, this is connected to this, and here we have one minion with a banana. His name is Strout, I think. And then we have Gru, and then we have Bob in the red car, and it has these engines. And then we have this, and then we have this, and it has this cool skull design. And we have the wheels, and you can disconnect this guy. And then if you want to take the minion, there is this place here. You put the minions. And so it's really fun. And now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives about this set. So for the positives, there are 3 characters: Strout, Bob, and Gru. And the Minions are always fun, and all Minions lovers are going to adore this set. For the negatives, the sizes aren't very good, and they should include more. And this is the only Minion set available, and in my opinion, the scooter is too big. But I mean, this is based on the movie, so and the scooter was big in the movie. So the real question is, would I buy it again? Well, yes, because the negatives, they don't really accord to the fun in the set, because it's really fun and I really like this. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch our video next week.